So welcome back to Give Tech, and let's unbox this Samsung Galaxy S26. So this is the black colored edition, as you can see. So we have the phone itself. Inside we have other things like the manual, and also we have the charging cable, this Type-C to Type-C. Okay. And we have the phone. That's it. So that's just for the unboxing of the phone. We'll come back for the review and see how the phone is.